How to add a product to wishlist in Temu. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a product to your wishlist in Temu. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app or website and start browsing through the wide variety of products. Whether you're looking for gadgets, clothing, or home decor, there's something for everyone. When you find an item that catches your eye, tap on it to open the product page and view all the details. On the product page right next to the price, you'll notice a heart icon. This heart is your wishlist button. To add the product to your wish list, simply tap on that heart and you'll get a quick confirmation that the item has been successfully added. It's really that simple. Now, if you want to view your wish list later, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the app or website. This will open your account options. From there, select wish list from the list of available options. All the products you've added will be neatly organized in your wish list. You can easily come back to check them out anytime, make purchases when you're ready, or just keep track of the items you like. And that's how you add a product to your wish list in Temu. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials.